Alright, today we're going to be comparing the Tascam DR10SG to the Rode VideoMicro. The Rode VideoMicro I think costs like 60 bucks, and then this one I got 400, but retail is $200. So we'll compare the two, see which one sounds better, get some ambient noise, some clips of me talking, see which one is the best. The benefit to this one is that it records to a microSD card, so then that way you have backup audio. And then also you're supposed to be able to record straight to the camera using this cable that they supply. So we'll compare the two, see how it sounds, and then see how it sounds straight to the camera and then straight from the micro SD. First, we're going to start off with the VideoMicro. Alright, so we just plugged in the Rode VideoMicro. Should sound pretty good. I always use this one. I just wanted something different, and then if I get serious in my audio, then I can have backup just in case, so nothing has to be reshot. So we'll get a couple of seconds of that ambient noise. Alright, now we'll switch to the Tascam. Alright, now we have the Tascam on, so it's much bigger, but even though we're shooting at it on the 16mm, it's not interfering with the frame or anything. Also, we'll get a few seconds of the ambient noise. Alright, I also shot some other random clips, so we'll compare those, see how they sound. Tascam DR10SG. Rode VideoMicro. Tascam DR10SG. Rode VideoMicro. Rode VideoMicro. Tascam DR10SG. Tascam DR10SG. Rode VideoMicro.